Nowadays, artificial intelligence can do almost anything for you. Draw, write books, compose music, and much more. But what if I told you that AI can also help you make money? With the AI-powered Scorpio TradeBot, I turned just $50 into over $200,000 in a month by trading on Pocket Option. The results are truly incredible. Pocket Option can literally become your own money printing machine. In this video, I'll show you how to start trading completely for free and achieve similar results. You'll see how everything works in real market conditions. So where do we begin? Go to the Scorpio TradeBot, click on the link, and open a new Pocket Option account. Then, top it up for at least $50 using any payment method you want, and you can start earning. Attention! You can get a 100% bonus for your deposit using this promo code. This offer is only available from the 8th to the 24th of March. To make you trust us, I will show you that we are trading on a real account. To get started, I choose a currency pair, in which case I will trust the choice of the bot. Now I want to find the currency pair that will have the highest payout percentage. Now I also choose a currency pair with a high percentage. And trusting the bot, I bet more. You can also set your bid not only in dollars, but also as a percentage. Okay, now let's go to the OTC market. I also look at the currency pair with the highest percentage of profit. And I'm setting a different time for the deal. And so in just 10 minutes, we earned $17,000. In order not to miss a new videos and stay tuned on updates, subscribe and click the bell.